Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by revealing formatting so you can see tabs and paragraph marks. This prevents surprises later. Click the table handle to select the whole table because partial selection leaves cells intact. Once selected, open Table Layout and choose Convert to Text. This changes cells to plain text separated by your chosen delimiter. Do this now so you preserve content while removing the grid. This is faster and safer than deleting and recreating text manually. Now decide how cells should become text. Pick tabs for simple columns, commas for CSV needs, or a unique character if cells contain commas. Once done, check for merged cells because they can collapse into unexpected runs, split or edit them first. After conversion, use replace with special codes, T for tabs, P for paragraphs, to normalize spacing and line breaks. Make sure to remove accidental double spaces and trailing delimiters so the text reads cleanly and can be reformatted immediately. Finish by deciding whether to keep the converted text or remove the table structure entirely. If deletion is desired, select the table and choose Delete Table. If you converted, remove any borders and reflow paragraphs. Once done, apply styles or paste special to preserve formatting. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Immediately use Undo or Open Version History to restore a previous state. Also toggle Show /hide to find hidden characters that explain spacing issues and correct them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.